Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Square app and start using payments. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Locate the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store. For Android users, search for the Google Play Store. Open the App Store. In the search bar, type Square. Press the search button. Look for the Square app in the search results. Ensure it's the correct app by checking the logo. Tap on the Square app to open its page. Review the app details and user ratings. Find the download or install button. Tap it to start the download process. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the Square app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select Get Started to proceed. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your information. Provide your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, tap Next. The app may ask for permission to access your camera. Allowing this will help with scanning cards later. Next, enter your business details, if applicable. Complete any additional setup prompts as they appear. Once everything is filled out, confirm your information. Now you are ready to start accepting payments. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Explore the features available within the app. You can set up payment methods and manage your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.